అందరికీ నమస్కారం.
അത് അത് അടിപൊളി, സൂപ്പർ. ഇത് മതി, ബാക്കിയെല്ലാം നമ്മൾക്ക് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയാം.
ഞാൻ പഠിക്കാൻ നോക്കിയായിരുന്നു തെലുങ്ക്, പക്ഷേ അത് പറയുന്നത് ശരിയാകത്തില്ല.
నేను తెలుగు నేర్చుకోవడానికి ప్రయత్నించాను కానీ అవ్వలేదు. ബാക്കി പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട് ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഈ സിനിമ തെലുങ്കിൽ സംസാരിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നതിന്. എന്താ പറയണ്ടതെന്നറിയില്ല. ഞാനാണേലും ഇങ്ങനെ എൻ്റെ ചെറുപ്പത്തിലൊക്കെ തെലുങ്കിൽ നിന്ന് മലയാളത്തിലേക്ക് സിനിമകൾ വരുമായിരുന്നു. അല്ലു അർജുൻ, സായി മൂവി, അതൊക്കെ എൻ്റെ ചെറുപ്പത്തിലൊക്കെ ഞാൻ കണ്ടിട്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ അതൊക്കെ എനിക്ക് ഒരുപാട് അറിയില്ല, ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷം.
ചെറിയ പാസ്, దే వాంట్ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్. సో చిన్నప్పుడు నేను చాలా తెలుగు సినిమాలు చూశాను. అల్లు అర్జున్ గారి సినిమాలు నేను చాలా ఎక్కువగా చూశాను. നെക്സ്റ്റ് കണ്ടിന്യൂ.
ഇപ്പം ഞങ്ങൾ കൂട്ടത്തിരിക്കുന്നവരെല്ലാം ആണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ അവർ ഞങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഇങ്ങനെ തെലുങ്ക് സിനിമകളൊക്കെ ഒരുപാട് കാണുമായിരുന്നു. കൂടുതലും നമുക്കിങ്ങനെ മലയാളത്തിലേക്ക് ഡബ് ചെയ്ത് വരുന്ന പടങ്ങളുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. അപ്പം അതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ ഒരു ఇన్స్పిరేషన్కే ఉంది ఈ సినిమా.
తెలుగు సినిమాలు నాకు చాలా పెద్ద ఇన్స్పిరేషన్. నేనే కాదు, ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్న బాయ్స్ అందరూ కూడా చాలా ఎక్కువగా తెలుగు సినిమాలు చూసిన వాళ్ళే. ఎస్,
జై బాలయ్య.
ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ డెబ్యూ ఆల్సో. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ ఫర్ 200 crores ప్లస్ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ డెబ్యూ. గట్టిగా ఒకసారి చప్పట్లు టు దిస్ డైరెక్టర్ హూస్ డెబ్యూడ్ విత్ సచ్ అ బిగ్ బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ ఫిల్మ్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ అన్ ఈజీ థింగ్ ఈ రోజుల్లో జనాల్ని థియేటర్లో కూర్చోబెట్టడం అనేది. కానీ ఇప్పటికీ కూడా హౌస్ఫుల్స్ నడుస్తూ ఉన్నాయి అక్కడ. అంటే పీపుల్ ఆర్ ఫైండింగ్ ద కాంటెంట్ వెరీ రెలవెంట్. సవిన్ సార్, ఈ స్టోరీ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ దీస్ 4-5 బాయ్స్, విచ్ ఇస్ క్లోజెస్ట్ టు యూ, యువర్ స్టోరీ?
എല്ലാവരും
നോണ കാഷിയർ അല്ലേ?
അല്ല, ഓൾ പീപ്പിൾസ്.
All people story? Every story is your story?
വിപിൻ ദാസ്
സാറിന്റെ സ്റ്റോറീസ് ആണോ ഇതെല്ലാം? I thought he wrote the story. I didn't think that it's his biopic. Okay, so anything else that you wanted to mention about your producers? I think there are so many producers. Sahu sir, Harris sir, Vipin sir is also one of the producer. Adarsh sir, Anish sir. Anything that you wanted to mention about the producers of the film? അവരെ പറ്റിയിട്ട് എന്താണെങ്കിലും.
അവർ കാരണമാണ് ഇങ്ങനെ സിനിമ ഉണ്ടായത്. അവരോട് നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞാൽ തീരില്ല. അത് ഒരുപാട് സന്തോഷമുണ്ട്, അത്രേ ഉള്ളൂ.
ഓക്കെ, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ టు యూ మే బీ డైరెక్టింగ్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్ తెలుగు ఆల్సో. మీరు తెలుగు నేర్చుకోండి, ഞാൻ പഠിപ്പിച്ചു തരാം. ഓക്കെ, താങ്ക്സ്. നമസ്കാരം. ആ മൈക്ക് തന്ന സമാധാനം. താങ്ക് യു.